this question is about histogram. So this is under past year standard 14 question 2b. Okay, so again, you can see a given table, you see 0 to 5, less than, so on, right? So do remember to less than, you just replace with dash. After that, question want you to find the mean, the standard deviation, highlight everything. After that, construct a histogram. Then after that, from the histogram, estimate the model. So what does this mean? So it's your mod. So you just need to estimate or determine from the histogram. No need to calculate. Okay. So after that, compute the coefficient of skewness. Then give the comment of the shape. Apart from this, you can see or not, which hospital have more consistent. So again, you choose the CV that is lower than that. Is that okay? Okay, so how to start? Just copy as usual. Okay, so uh hours per week. Okay, so you have hours per week. Hours per week. Okay, so just replace the less than with dash. Okay, so for this question, do you need to have a special blank? No, you must remember the special blank is just for object. This is histogram, so just no need. Okay, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, right? 20 to 25. Okay, after that, number of patient. Okay, do remember to highlight your frequency. Then at the bottom, highlight your total frequency. So in this case, it's 50. Okay, just copy. Okay, we have 5, 10, 15, 13, 7. Okay, so what I need to do here? Okay, maybe some of you may ask me, madam, why we don't need to have the box and so on? Actually, no need. Okay, because every lines that you put is second counted, right? It's all the time there. Okay, so just make sure your things is neat and clean. Okay, midpoint, do remember to put x. How to get midpoint? Okay, you total up and divide by 2 as usual. Okay, so okay, shift, just switch on first, shift 9, 3 equal. Okay, okay, equal 3 equal. Okay, reset everything. So 0 plus 5. Okay, then divide by 2. What do you have? 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. Oh, no reasons. Plus 5. Divide by 2. You have 2.5, right? Okay, so 2.5. 5 plus 10 divided by 2, you have 7.5. So 25 divided by 2, 12.5. 35 divided by 2, 17.5. 45 divided by 2, 22.5. Is it okay? Okay, if not, then you just use your calculator. Okay, it's not a problem at all. Okay, so do remember what's the things you need to highlight? Yes, your fx and also your fx square. Okay, so do remember total fx and your total fx square. Okay, so how to key in? Okay, so always remember to key in your x first, right? 2.5 shift, so you go for mod twice, go for SD first. Okay, so after that you can start to key in already. So 2.5 shift comma shift comma 5 m plus. Okay, always look at what you have pressed, okay? Just in case the calculator is not sensitive enough, okay? M plus. So 12.5, you see, like mine here, not really sensitive, so shift 15, okay? So M plus. Okay, then after that 17.5 shift comma, you see, not sensitive at all, 0.5 shift comma 13 M plus. Then after that 22.55 shift comma 7 M plus. So you have 50. So go and check your things, is it correct? Okay, 2.55, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 13, 22.5, 7. Yes, correct. Okay, so press AC. Is it okay? Then shift 1, then 2 equal 660. So write 660. So after that, shift 1, 1, go for 1, then equal 10,462.5. Okay, so 10,462.5. Okay, so done. Okay, for same thing. So shift 93 equal, reset everything. So mod, you shift mod, go down, go for 4. Switch on your frequency. Then mod, go for 3. Then go for 1. So key, no? So 2.5, enter 7.5 equal 12.5 equal 17.5 equal 22.5 equal. Okay, so you go to the up part 05, then 15, 13, so 7. Okay, done everything. Okay, you go and check. So once everything okay, so press AC. So again, shift 1, you go for 3. Okay, so 2, 660. So shift 1, you go sum again, you go for 1. Then you have your answer. See, you have your answer. Okay, I hope both calculators already done. Oh, okay. Okay, so after that, what you do? Question asks you about mean, right? Okay, so you can start with your mean already. Okay, so mean. So same thing. Again, copy formula. Okay, so substitute. You have 660 divided by 50. So what's your answer? So shift, press AC. So shift 2, go for 1, enter 13.2. Okay, same thing goes with the second one. So shift 1, okay, you go for 4, go for 2 to find your mean, 13.2. Okay, after that, question want you, oh, this is in hours, so you just put hours on the unit. Okay, so what else? Question want you to have standard deviation. Standard deviation. Okay, so again, copy your formula. 1 over total f minus 1, total fx squared minus total fx whole thing squared over total f. Okay, copy formula. So substitute. So you have 50 minus 1. So 10,462.5 minus 660 squared over 50. Just copy only and substitute. Okay, after that, again, just use your calculator. Okay, then you just shift 2, then go for 3 standard deviation. You have 5.97, round off 9770. Okay, same goes with this one. So shift 1, go for 4, go for standard deviation, then enter. See, 9770. Okay? Okay, so after that, okay, model value. Model value is from your ogive. This one we leave it for a while. Okay, so this is from ogive. From graph. From your histogram, not ogive. Okay, from graph. Okay, your model value. Okay, we'll proceed with this later. Okay, so always proceed with your calculation first. Okay, C. Okay. Okay, your Pearson measure of skewness. So just use your mod law over standard deviation. Okay, so what's your mean? 13. So you have 13.2 minus your mod, don't know, so later you can find it out. 9770. So you get the value. Okay, so don't forget this is what positive or negative skew. Okay, later we will see. Okay, fourth. Okay, they want to know what is which hospital, right, is more consistent. So hospital ZZ. Okay, so you get your CV S over mean times 100. Okay, so what's your value? You have 7.95 divided by 15.3. Okay, so you have 51.96. Okay, so hospital CVS over mean times 100. Okay, so you have 5.9770 divided by 13.2 times with 100. Okay, so simplify and get the answer. You have 45.28. Okay, so you want to get the smaller CV, right? Because question asks you about which one is more consistent, right? So just answer back the question. You see, which hospital is more consistent in hours spent per week for okay? So just copy everything. Answer back the question. Okay? So your answer will be hospital is more consistent in hours spent per week for ACL treatment of the patient compared to what? Hospital ZZ. Okay, you must have the whole thing. Okay, so again, how to find ogive? How to find histogram? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so get your graph paper. Okay, do remember, first thing in your mind, get your title first. Okay, so get your title. Your title you just copy from the statement. Okay, you just copy from the distribution of hours spent per week for ACL treatment at hospital just copy. Okay, so everything that you wrote on the graph paper, you're allowed to use pencil. Okay, very clear cut. Is it okay? Okay, so after that, what you need to do, get your x-axis and y-axis, right? Okay, so you can start with the things. Okay, so you already know that the smallest value is 5, right? Smallest value is 5. Okay, biggest value is 15. See that? So you just ensure that your scale is within the range. Okay, estimate first. Okay, so you just estimate first. So you can have 2 boxes to become, because your graph don't be too small or too big. Okay, so I have my 4 boxes with 5. Is that okay? So I have 5. I have 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and do remember, highlight your excuse me, highlight your y and your x-axis. Okay, so for this case, your x-axis is hours per week, right? And your y-axis is number of patient. Okay, it's number of patient. Okay, so you just start. Okay, so look at the items here. Okay, so you can see you start from 0. Am I right? You start from 0. So you will start from 0. Some of the questions, the variable not necessary from 0, so be careful. So since this one from 0, so you from 0. So 0 to what? Okay, so again, look at the things here. So just now you already highlight, right? Yes or no? The table, okay? Or you didn't? Okay, you already highlight as usual. Okay, highlight any 0.5 difference on the boundary. If no, so that will be the easiest part. Okay, so if no, just continue. Okay, so you have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Okay, so 0 to 5, 0, okay, 0 to 5 is 5, right? So you have 5, so until 5. Okay, this one. 0 to 5. Okay, so 10, you have 10, right? So it's this one. Okay, so just underline. Just one line. Okay, so after that, here you got 15. So 15 here. Okay, so draw a line across it. Okay, after that, you got uh, 13, right? So 13 is here. Okay, so one line across it. Then after that, you got 7, so 7 is here. So after that, draw the line across it. Okay, this one, draw a line, go down. Draw a line, go down. Okay, so done already? Okay, have you done? Okay, good. So after that, what will you do? Okay, now to estimate the model value. Okay, so what you need to do? Okay, please listen carefully. You take the highest bar, because highest bar means highest frequency, because you should know that mod refers to highest frequency. Am I right? So you get the cross from the junction to the other end. Okay, so the cross is dotted, please. Okay, same thing to the other bar. Okay, so the dot is dotted line. Then after that, from the intersection, you go down. Okay, again, use ruler. Okay, then you estimate what's the value that you obtain here. Okay, so for this example, your model value is 13.5. Okay, you just write down directly. Model value equal 13.5. Okay, so after that, you just write on your graph paper. So after that, then just replace back with this. Okay, your model value is 13.5. So 13.5. Is it okay? So I have 13.5. Okay, so just get your calculator. So, okay, so 13.5, sorry, 13.2 minus 13.5. Okay, divide by 5.9770. What do you have? You have negative 0.0502. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, negative 0.0502. Okay, what does it mean then? What's the value here? Okay, negative. So your conclusion will be negatively skewed. Yes, ED. Okay, so that's it for the answer.